Off of it.
Maybe you want to. It should be okay to take that another one.
Well, you took that at 6:30 when I left.
His eyes, though.
They're every 8 hours. So it's
His
been 8
eyes,
hours.
though. That's just it. His eyes.
I got to read. Push, push, push.
Their eyes look freaky.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop.
It's the dog's eyes.
Harper! I got
What?
her butt.
Harper! See?
I know I'm gonna get hit in
That's
this.
her eyes. No, they're like yellow and green. Look at Cherokee's eyes.
Yeah,
Dog,
it's like
you
a
jump
diamond.
way too
This is really
quick.
blue.
What? I can't have it.
Dog did that one day. I mean, smacked me right in the face.
Simon, no, wait a minute.
Simon, come here.
Come here.
Come here, Simon.
Get up here. Simon.
Simon, I got it.
You don't do that to Simon.
Oh,
He don't know.
No, he straight up stepped
I
on me.
know he did. But he don't know. I mean, he's playing with the ball. No, he knows.
Oh,
Simon
there.
growls at him.
Look at his eyes.
You stay here.
I know, it's terrible. You can't get it.
What? He wants to play too. Let him play.
From the clubhouse, you can just look over there and see that first tee. It's just
He's a bully. He is. And that's the bad thing with the little ones. They'll just walk. I mean, just.
He
Step
steps
right
right
on.
on him.
Oh,
No matter if he's playing or not.
Goliath does the same thing, like with the kittens and stuff like that. And whenever
That feels
Swag
like a
was
baseball
little.
bat hitting you. Especially on the shin.
That in there's nice and calm compared to him.
Once again. Together we share a commitment to give back to our communities.
I see she doesn't get nearly as excited and pee on your floor anymore.
He probably pissed there on
does
the
it out
chair
on
or
the porch.
something.
She peed on my boot out there.
Yeah, she'll do
Diego!
it.
Hi, buddy.
Calm down.
Yeah.
Hi, buddy.
She's so gentle getting in your lap.
I'm
Compared
pretty
to
sure.
some.
And then she'll lay there. She gets up there and lays on mine like that. I tell her no lick. She won't lick me.
Hi, Diego.
this one's breath smelled like a dead animal
That's what
today.
Blake said. I didn't get close to it. But that's
He
what
came
he
up
said.
to me and
Couple of
I said
them.
maybe
Hi.
he ate something out in the yard or something.
Hi.
Maybe get them. I put those dental bones up there at,
You're a weirdo.
not always.
Yeah.
Big Lot.
Get up.
They had them
Come
up
on.
there, I think, for
Simon.
was it
Hello.
$5 or something.
Hello,
I don't
Simon.
get 'em.
Your eyes are orange.
Sit.
She'll
Hi,
lay
Dee.
on her back as long
Hi.
as you're rubbing her belly.
Hi.
Wow.
You don't want it.
Diego. Diego.
He did.
What, did he land like that?
Yeah, he caught it though.
Didn't
Hi,
he
buddy.
right there?
He went clean
How
up.
are
Way
you?
up there.
How are you, Diego? You good? You good? You good? You like the phone? You want up? Come here. Come here. Come here, buddy.
My britches.
There, I got you now.
But she wouldn't hold still to get trimmed. Get that razor
See?
at
I
her.
got you
Oh
now.
my
I
God.
got you now. I got you now.
That razor works good on Georgie.
If I
Except-
clip that top layer, she's got so much oil in her fur.
Yes.
And that
through it
top
right.
layer, I gotta hand cut it, and then I'll just take the razor over the shoulder, and it shaves it right off. But that,
You might just have to give her a bath first.
That's what she
that's
said.
what I told him. I said I should have probably
Here,
bathed
Pap.
her
Here's
first
your dog.
instead of afterwards.
What are you doing?
I said it made it work better.
Your eyes are very blue.
Next time
Hi.
I clip her, that's what I'll do. Yeah, her one eye was completely shut.
Whoa.
Mom.
He just made
I
it
told
on.
her the other day, I said, she acts like she can't see. I said, I think she needs a haircut out of her eye. And I held a wet paper towel with a wound paper.
Hey.
Are you licking the air?
She always does.
What are you doing?
I don't want to pet you. No, I'm laughing at you. I'm laughing
Hi,
at
Pep.
you. Don't you lick back.
Matt.
What are you doing?
Trying to get you.
I don't know about that light.
Baby girl would be attacking her by now.
I know, right?
Yeah, he's like the camera.
That's okay. Before I loaded this box up with clothes, I was catching dogs and cats.
Oh, yeah?
I caught Baby Girl and Autumn.
Hey.
Swag didn't like it. He was growling because he was taking his and putting it over his bone.
Oh.
Swag was growling.
Hey.
Hey, no chewing the ball up.
Turkey.
Captain him.
Hey.
Stop.
Hey, you
He
two.
chews the stuff off of it and then he chews the
Hey, you
ball.
two.
No.
Want me to take it?
We have to get him some more
Snowy.
tennis balls. I don't know where to.
Snowy, Snowy,
I think that's the only
Snowy.
one that
Hi.
counts.
Hi, Snowy.
There's one over at the
How are you?
Yeah, I'm letting
How are you,
him
Snowy?
get there.
Hello, Diego. Hi, Diego.
Give me it.
Oh, did you get all itchy now? Did I make you itchy? Did I make you itchy? Did I make you itchy, Snowy? Did I? Oh.
You want to fight with me?
Hey. Excuse me, I was petting D. Excuse me, I was petting Diego. Turkey!
Disappeared, didn't it? Disappeared, didn't it?
Hey. 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 Did you die?
Not up
Hi.
here.
Hi.
Wonder he didn't
Oh.
smell it out.
She's she's trying to hold my hand. Hi. 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 Hi.
You want to
Hi.
fight me? Do you? You want to fight me?
Hi.
Huh? Because I won't fight you.
Oh, they're kissing. Harper.
I don't think I need that many.
Go, go,
Mom.
go.
Mom.
What?
Say bye-bye.
You're kicking me. Bye.
Bye-bye.